Lucy Nyambura Mukunu's bundle of joy curled up in the car, fast asleep as her mother paced down the corridors of justice, waiting for her case to be heard. 25-year-old Lucy is suing the Mwea Member of Parliament, Peter Gitau, for the upkeep of a child she claims was fathered by him. Lucy alleges that she met the Member of Parliament in 2010 and fell pregnant with his child. She gave birth in March 2012. It was during this time that things fell apart. Now, with a baby in tow, Lucy has a list of demands for the MP on behalf of her child. She would like him to cater for food, shelter for which she is asking for 50,000 shillings every month, clothing, recreation and other utilities. All their needs coming to 144,500 shillings every month.
Mtoto anahitaji mahali pazuri. Mtoto wa MP hawezi lala kwa nyumba ambazo si za gharama ya kiwango cha mheshimiwa.
In response, Peter Gitau has acknowledged that he met Lucy but did not promise her a house in Nairobi, a car or a job if she bore him a child. He argues that the accusations leveled against him are driven by dishonesty in a bid to extract money from him. And in a final crushing blow, Peter claims that Lucy is a stranger to him, as evidenced by the fact that in the suit, Lucy named him as Peter Nderitu Gitau, while his name is Peter Njuguna Gitau.
You know, politicians masquerade around with names all over. You really do not know the right names. But he has admitted they know each other from the pleadings, regardless whether the name is Nderitu or the name is Njuguna.
Gitau denies that he is the father of the child. The magistrate's absence from the court, leaving Lucy to plan her return on the 12th of June, when the case will be heard. While the defendant, a Member of Parliament, responds in writing to say that the suit is driven purely by greed, the plaintiff, Lucy Nyambura, says all she wants is to see her child grow up in the very same lifestyle that the man she claims is her child's father is accustomed to. I'm Wilkis Anyabwa for KTN at the Milimani Law Courts in Nairobi.